Some people believe that they should keep all the money they have earned and should not pay tax to the state. Do you agree or disagree with the above notion? Some people believe that people should keep all their income and not pay taxes to the country. I completely disagree with this statement because the government will not get money for the country's development. And secondly, people misspend money. To begin with, the government uses taxes on different kinds of improvements in a nation in terms of education, infrastructure, and the medical field. If people do not pay these taxes, the government cannot provide good facilities to local people, and they face many problems in their lives. Apart from this, the economic rate of that nation declined because of poor infrastructure and fewer medical facilities, which will cause people to face many health problems in the future. For example, a university survey showed that Pakistan's economy has declined gradually during the last 2 years because people do not pay any taxes to the government. Moving further, if people do not pay taxes to the government, they have more black money for a lavish lifestyle. Moreover, they already have a boatload of money. If they do not pay taxes, they misuse this money. Sometimes, people use money to buy illegal properties, which gives them huge profits. Due to this, the gap between wealthy and impoverished people widens, and poor people need more money to fulfill their daily needs. If they do not fulfill their daily needs, it adversely affects poor people's holistic growth and development. For example, in Britain, people have black money to buy illegal properties because they do not pay taxes to the state, which sets a wrong precedent for upcoming generations. To conclude, people should pay taxes to the country because it helps the government provide suitable facilities for people. Moreover, people refrain from using black money in the wrong ways and do not follow the wrong trajectory.